Something astonishing is happening in China. Something so massive, so visionary, and so ahead of its time that it is rewriting what we believe is possible in architecture, engineering, and urban planning. While other powers continue to rely on traditional models, China is building cities that seem like living organisms, buildings that generate energy by themselves, and bridges that defy the laws of physics. Today, I'm going to show you 8 megastructures that have not only impacted the world, but are completely transforming the future. Get ready, because this journey will take you from skyscrapers that breathe to structures that look like they came out of a parallel universe. And what you'll see at number 1 will leave you speechless. Number 8, Yushan Future City. Imagine a city designed from scratch to think, feel, and adapt. A city that is not just a set of streets and buildings, but an intelligent ecosystem designed to function like a living organism. That is Yushan Future City. This city does not rely on traditional systems. Here, everything is interconnected. Roads, buildings, sensors, transportation, energy, and climate work together through a central artificial intelligence core. It's like an urban brain capable of learning from the habits of its inhabitants, optimizing energy consumption and regulating traffic with surgical precision. The buildings are covered with vertical gardens that purify the air, lights turn on and off depending on human presence, and waste is managed automatically without human intervention. Yushan Future City is not just an innovation. It is a futuristic vision of how cities could operate in a few decades. A space where technology is not at our service, but coexists with us as part of the environment. Number 7. Shanghai Tower. This skyscraper is not just the second tallest in the world, it is a masterpiece of engineering and design. At 632 meters tall, the Shanghai Tower rises like a glass spiral twisting toward the sky, but it is not just an imposing structure, it is a marvel of efficiency. Its helical shape reduces wind pressure by almost 25%, allowing it to withstand storms and typhoons with extraordinary stability. Its double facade creates an insulating chamber that keeps the interior temperature stable and minimizes energy consumption. The elevators are among the fastest on the planet, capable of ascending more than 20 meters per second. Inside the tower, there are suspended gardens, futuristic offices, resting areas, and observation decks that offer views straight out of a dream. From certain angles, the Shanghai Tower seems to talk to the wind, shape it, integrate it into its design. It is not a building that fights against nature, but one that collaborates with it. Number 6. Tianfu Airport. In Sichuan Province lies one of the most advanced airports ever built, Tianfu International Airport. Its design is inspired by a golden phoenix spreading its wings, a powerful symbol of rebirth and evolution. This airport spans over 700,000 square meters. It can receive more than 100 million passengers per year. But what makes it a futuristic gem is its integrated technology. Artificial intelligence systems control almost everything: flights, security, luggage, air traffic, lighting, and energy consumption. There is no room for error. Everything operates in a coordinated, silent, and flawless manner. Natural light enters through enormous windows, illuminating the halls with golden tones. The atmosphere is spacious, bright, automated, and elegant. Walking through Tianfu is like entering a universe where technology and design coexist in perfect harmony. Number 5. Danyang Kunshan Bridge. Talking about this bridge is talking about scale. If China is known for doing everything big, this bridge proves it. At 164 kilometers long, the Danyang Kunshan Bridge is the longest bridge in the world. It connects Beijing with Shanghai and is a key piece for Chinese high-speed trains, which travel over 300 kilometers per h. Its structure is designed to withstand earthquakes, extreme temperature variations, and tremendous winds. More than 10,000 workers and 4 years of continuous effort were needed to complete it. Each section was placed with millimetric precision. The result is a structure so stable that it almost seems to defy logic. Trains glide over it as if flying. From below, the structure stretches like a steel serpent crossing lakes, rivers, and farmland. More than an engineering feat, this bridge is a symbol of unity and long-term vision. Number 4. Pearl River Tower. The Pearl River Tower is one of the most efficient and eco-friendly buildings on the planet. Its design focuses on harnessing natural energy rather than wasting it. It features wind turbines integrated into its structure that generate electricity, solar panels that capture sunlight, a radiant cooling system, and a double facade that reduces energy loss. Every curve, window, and angle serves a purpose: efficiency. Even its orientation was calculated to take advantage of the sun's movement throughout the day. The Pearl River Tower is a building that produces more energy than it consumes, an extraordinary example of how architecture can evolve into a more sustainable and conscious model. Number 3. 1,000 Trees. If there were a building that redefined the concept of organic architecture, it would be this one. Designed by Thomas Heatherwick, 1,000 Trees is a monumental complex whose exterior consists of giant columns that act as urban planners. Over these columns grow more than 1,000 real trees that wrap around the building like a green mountain. From a distance, the entire structure looks like a floating forest. Inside, there are shops, galleries, offices, and terraces connected by walkways full of vegetation. During the day, light filters through branches and leaves, creating a warm, natural atmosphere. At night, the building lights up like a gigantic organic sculpture suspended in the city. 1,000 Trees demonstrates that nature and modernity do not have to conflict. They can coexist, complement each other, and transform into art. Number 2. The Ring Shopping Park. This is not a traditional shopping mall. It is an immersive experience blending design, art, technology, and nature. Its most striking feature is a luminous ring, 42 meters high, floating above the complex. During the day, it reflects the sun like a radiant mirror. At night, it lights up with vibrant colors, transforming into a halo visible from across the city. Inside the ring, visitors move among waterfalls, indoor gardens, elevated paths, and interactive walls that respond to light and sound. The Ring Shopping Park is a sensory environment where every corner tells a story. It is architecture you feel, explore, and live in. Number 1. Ruyi Bridge. This bridge twists the concept of balance, aesthetics, and bravery. Suspended 140 meters high, its design consists of 3 undulating walkways of glass and steel, overlapping like floating ribbons. Walking on it is a visual and emotional challenge. The abyss beneath your feet, the transparency of the glass, and the perfect curvature create an indescribable sense of vertigo. Each curve of the bridge was designed using advanced algorithms that analyze weight, vibration, movement, and tension in real time. Despite appearing delicate, it is built with aerospace-grade materials. Ruyi Bridge is not just an architectural work. It is a meeting point between engineering, art, and human audacity. China is not waiting for the future to arrive, it is building it. It is leading a new era where cities are intelligent, buildings are self-sufficient, structures coexist with nature, and technology is part of everyday life. The most impressive thing is not what they have already achieved, what they are planning. These megastructures are not isolated points, they are the foundation of a revolutionary urban model. Imagine fully connected cities, buildings that generate energy, transportation that moves without friction, spaces where nature grows integrated, systems capable of anticipating human needs before they happen. That is the horizon China is shaping. Now the question is, are we ready for that future? Which structure impressed you the most? Would you dare to cross the Ruyi Bridge? Or would you rather explore the city that thinks for itself? Leave it in the comments, and get ready, because what's coming next will also amaze.